missing someone.
Hey everyone, OmniOmenZ here, and it's been a while since I recorded this game, but as you can see, it has not been a while since I played this game. So, yeah, we're close to, like, entering the first, like, dungeon or whatever. We got this little chicken with us, so that's nice. He helps us fly somehow. I don't know how chickens be flying, but he does it. Anyway, we're just gonna make our way to the dungeon and hopefully get into some action or whatnot. So, yeah, that'll be fun. Alright, there's a nice shiny red sun there. I think it's a sun. I hope it's not a blood moon, because that would be slightly annoying right about now. Okay, so based on the fact that that's there, that blue circle, this must be like the actual entrance to this thing. So let's go. Really only one way to go. Gust me ahead, chicken. Alright, so this ain't a big deal, but I wonder if I'll still be fighting the Zonai in here. Like, I want like an actual real boss when I get to that point. And I don't know if I'm actually gonna find that, so yeah. I also have not been in a dungeon yet, so this will be my first. Aren't y'all happy you get to, like, witness this with me? This potential hell I'll be going through. Okay, yeah, I think we were just supposed to climb. But it just, the way they were positioned, it was like, are we supposed to... Hold up. I don't know if there's a chest over there, but I want to go check, just to make sure. It's all good. I'll make it back over here again. Until then, I'm gonna cut. Alright, so we made it back up here with relative ease. However, once we get to the tippy top, I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to do. And it's auto-saving again, which I do not have a problem with. What I do have a problem with is I am still not to the actual dungeon yet, so... But we above the clouds. Yeah. I don't know how much that's gonna help. I think we're supposed to, like, jump in the middle, though. So let's go. We'll just have to dive down. Oh, look, there's, like, I think there's a temple within the storm, so yeah. Yeah, we definitely have to go through this hole right here. Alright, time to dive. Here we go. Here's the temple. Wind Temple, the legendary Stormwind Arc. Look at it. Oh man, but the way this looks, it makes me think we're gonna have to, like, yeah. Aim, fire. Miss completely. Looks like we'll have to go here, which is on floor 1 where we're at, then B2, and B1, and that's on floor 1. Well, I guess we'll start with... Whoa, 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 chill, what are you shooting at? Alright, oh, wait a minute. Hopefully, maybe this will open up when I want it to be opened up. Actually. Might have had to go to this side first. Look, there's one there. There's one here. Alright, that sucks. Alright. Idea. I could use this as a lever. Alright, yeah, anyway. There we go. I am a genius! What does this do? This has to do with one of the locks, I'm sure. Yeah, I looked at it. What do you... What's up? Yeah, it's shaped like a windmill. Okay. I have an idea. Wait. I didn't do anything. I can't really do anything there. What does this want from me? Maybe I set something on fire. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to do here.
12 seconds later.
Alright, yeah, that was definitely what I was supposed to do, but I hate that only the chicken can do it, so that's kind of annoying.
Hey, Link! This thing opened one of the locks. We gotta find the other 4.
Yeah, we do. I don't know why you're the only one who can do it. Like, do anything to it, but yeah, we gotta find it. Okay. It's like we also have to do a bunch of other dumb stuff. Oh, here we go. About time.
Strong wind!
There we go. Whew, almost missed that one. Maybe I can just jump.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wait, do I not have to jump? Oh my god, that would have made things so easier. Okay, I think that'll be enough food. Hopefully. Let's see what I can do. Come on, buddy. What's gonna come out of this thing, I wonder?
That's it, Link! We've unlocked them all!
Yeah, I
We
know.
should be able to open up the hatch on the main deck.
Okay, brother. Come on, chill out. Alright, big boy. Let's see what you got. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm gonna be fighting. I just know that it's gonna be fugly, and I should be ready to go. Get out of my way, chicken. Alright. What's gonna happen? We got ourselves a cutscene. This thing's probably gonna fly, isn't it? Oh man! An attack chicken. Oh yeah. I think I know why they're telling you.
Okay, let's go!
Yeah, let's do it, chicken. It's like a flying centipede. Storage temple Obera? I don't know.
That thing must be what's causing the blizzard!
Yeah, and it's fucking. Why is the first
got to
boss
take
of
it
the first
down.
temple so Or at least that means the first temple for me.
This wind is so strong! Don't get blown away, Link!
No problem. Alright, let's try attacking it. I miss completely. Crap.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh! Shoot. Oh, that was on it. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's belly.
What? Where'd it go?
Great, it can teleport.
Link, below you!
I think I know what I gotta hit. Oh, that did nothing. I can't even hit the thing. There we go, I got him.
Hey, that worked!
Yeah, I figured it would, but I don't have enough now. Come on, bomb.
Nice one!
Is there anything else I can use? Chew jelly? Oh, that works. Take the damage. Haha. Ooh, second phase, baby. I don't know. He does not look happy. Really should have like stocked up with my fire things. Dude, he's what
We
the
have to
hell?
stay clear of those tornadoes! Be careful!
It's not hard. And it seems like they pull you in. Ow, my god! Whoa! think I've taken damage once. This might just be the easiest boss in the game. Damn. I gotta have something else that's fire-based or I'm screwed. I am afraid. Alright, well, I have another idea. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see. I don't think that's gonna help, but the shock might do something. Let's hope I'm right. Alright, well it's definitely doing something, but not enough. I think the fire is basically instant, while the others, not so much. Wait, I can use these? Holy crap. Oh wait, I am falling.
Great job, Link!
He's escaping. Alright, let's
Coming
do
from
it.
below again! Top round!
I shall dodge. You shall die. That's what I should have been doing, damn. It's got a hit, but still. Alright, this will hit. Or not. Okay, now we go to this bow. Whoa, brother, chill. Okay. The best time to get him is when he's like... Okay, here we go. Let's try a rocket. That should do something.
Way to go, Link! I'll help too!
Yeah, you go ahead and help all you want, because it's probably going to be the final hit right here. Oh, damn, it was. Well, I figured that out. That would have sucked if I ran out of stuff. My regular arrows weren't doing anything, but man, this was easy. I don't even think it damaged me once. I was expecting something this freaking heavy to be an actual challenge, but it wasn't. It was not a challenge at all. I wonder if we'll get some special power from this, like in the previous game. Vow of Tulin, Sage of Wind. Proof of the Vow of Tulin, Sage of Wind. Use it to summon or dismiss the avatar of Tulin. So basically, through all this, my only reward is the ability to summon a damn chicken. Where can I summon the freaking chicken? Oh, okay. Now it's activating. Tulin's vow has granted you the power to summon his avatar. And what does that do? Let's go. It's just another gust of wind? Are you kidding me? Okay, so he just walks with me, basically. So I can always have a little chicken by my side. Well, I know what I'm cooking for dinner. Okay, well, the video is at like 2 hours, basically, or almost 2 hours. Like, it's seconds away from hitting 2 hours. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this little dungeon crawl that took me forever to do. Obviously, it's going to be, like, shortened with some cuts, but in any case, I am glad that we got the first one down, and hopefully in the future, well, definitely in the future, there will be another video when I get to the next dungeon. I will always record whenever I play this game, you know, in case anything good comes up. But for the most part, I want to focus on, like, uploading or editing and uploading the clips for the dungeons. Anyway, with all that being said, I hope everyone enjoyed. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.